froth the milk maybe without the coffee. I don't know. We're going to experiment. It's going to be trial and error. It might be a mess. We don't know. Hey Thickies, welcome back to Thick Girls Guide, your official guide to all things fashion, trends, style, and lifestyle. And in today's video, we are doing my favorite quarterly box. Fab Fit Fun is here for the fall season. So if you want to see what's inside, definitely stick around. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button, join the Thick Girl gang, you know you want to, and give this video a thumbs up. Now let's get into it. Okay, so if you don't know what Fab Fit Fun is, it's a quarterly lifestyle box, so you get that 4 times a year. This is the fall box, and I've been a subscriber to this box for a couple years now. I really enjoy it. There's been some really great boxes, some that are, you know, better than others, obviously. Like typically the fall and winter boxes are the best. This year I think the spring and summer have been pretty good. So we'll see how the fall box stacks up. There are 2 different types of subscriptions available. The first one is if you pay for it quarterly. That one you get to customize up to 3 categories, I believe. I think there's a total of 8. And the other subscription is if you pay for it in a year at a time. So all 4 boxes at once, then you get to customize your entire box. If you pay for the box seasonally, so as they come out through the year, it is $54.99. However, if you do the annual subscription, it is $49.99 per box. Again, that is billed all at once. So for the year, you will save 20 bucks. I find that to be the best deal. I like to customize the entire box, and I like that it saves me a little bit of money each year as well. Okay, so let's dive in to the box. It has been a while since I customized this, so I don't really remember much of what's in it or what categories they were in. So my apologies. They used to send a kind of like a guide that would show like everything that was available in category 1 through 8. Now they do not. So, okay, so when you open it up, this is what it looks like. So you have this little magazine type of thing on top and then everything else underneath the packing paper. And I am going to try to pull these items out in the order in which I think they were in a category. So I don't know. But anyway, so this is the little magazine that comes with it. And it has different ideas of like ways to use the different items. In here, I think it has recipes in here last time I was looking through it, all of that good stuff. And it's got some information about the different products that you could have chosen from. The first thing that I chose was the full-size living proof, there's actually 2, shampoo and conditioner. I have tried a few things from Living Proof. They are a really, really good brand. I believe these are like $25 a piece or so. So they're pretty expensive salon quality shampoo and conditioner. This is for fullness and volume, which Lord knows I need for my thin, fine hair. So I figured let's try it out while it's in a Fit Fab Fun box. And so that's what I picked up. Also, as part of the add-ons, I'll just do this now because it goes with the other items. They also had the Living Proof dry shampoo. This stuff is really good, and this is a fantastic dry shampoo brand. I don't remember how much it was added on for. I think it was like maybe like $10. I think it's normally like 20 or something like that at like Ulta and whatnot. But this stuff is really good. I don't use dry shampoo very often, but I got it just in case I ever need some. The next thing I got that I think is in category 2 is this 3-piece baking or 3-piece silicone baking set. So it comes with a silicone baking mat, full-size spatula, and a mini spatch. So, and it looked adorable. Okay, let me open it here. Okay, so here is the full-size spatula. Here's the baby one. I love the little like speckly kind of blue speckles in there. I think that's super cute. The brand is Chic and Tonic. I love rubber spatulas. Like, I feel like you can never have enough. These feel like really good quality as well. I can tell a cheap rubby spatch, okay? Anyway, just a standard flexible baking mat. So this is good to use on your pans so that it like they don't get all mucked up with, you know, baking junk, and that nonstick spray, if it's not a quality spray, can really like adhere to a pan and just ruin it. So good to use this, or you can also use foil. The next item that I picked up is the Balance Me Wonder Eye Cream with hyaluronic acid and witch hazel for all skin types, and it's supposed to calm and replenish. This does say it's vegan, manufactured in the UK, and okay, so it just has like a little squirty thing here. So let's try some on the back. If it'll squirt out. Okay, when in doubt, just do that, because I don't have 20 years to wait for this thing to come. Okay, anyway, got some on the back of my hand. It's got a pretty pungent smell to it, like citrusy. I don't know, there's some kind of citrus in there. Okay, it says here our award-winning cooling gel nourishes, smooths with aloe and hyaluronic acid while also illuminating dark shadows. I feel like you can definitely smell the aloe, but there's also like some kind of like citrusy. I wonder if there's like vitamin C or something like that in there. So if you are sensitive to scents, I would not recommend that because she is fragrant. The next thing that I got is 2 pairs of boot socks from Fire. These are very like smooth. It says they're a bamboo blend, and I mean, overall, like, you can never have enough socks. These seem like really nice quality socks as well. So I think that was in one of the later choice items. The next thing I got here is these are adorable. These make the box for me. Everything else has been you know, compared to like their last fall boxes, but y'all know I love some sunglasses, okay? And these are so cute. I love the kind of tortoisey, I don't even know what you would call that. I don't even feel like that's tortoiseshell. But super, super cute. These are from Lily Sadougi, S-A-D-O-U-G-H-I, Sadougi, maybe. But these are 100% UVA, UVB protection, and adorable. So that's all we need. Love them. I'm probably gonna wear these out later, maybe. Yes. And it does come with a little protective case as well. So love those. They seem like really good quality and super cute. I think these were supposedly like $50. I don't know if they're $50 sunglasses. I wouldn't pay $50 for them, but they're cute. The next thing I got is the Ipari milk frother. And I am an avid coffee drinker, but I've never had a milk frother. So I figured, why not, you know? Okay, so this is what it looks like. So it is like a little whiskey whisk on the bottom there. Ying, ying, ying. Ying, ying, ying. Okay, so I'm excited to try that out. Never actually had one of these or tried one of these. So we shall see how it works. Okay, and it says that it is a rust-proof stainless steel whisk, and you can whip fresh cream with ease, or even milk, I'm assuming, with one easy button. And that is the power button here. So you just stick it in your coffee with some milk, or stick the, I don't know, froth the milk maybe without the coffee. I don't know. We're gonna experiment. It's gonna be trial and error. It might be a mess. We don't know. And the last thing I got also for hair is the Ovation Cell Therapy hair and scalp treatment. It's supposed to make your hair stronger, longer, and thicker, and also be good for the scalp nourishment as well. All right, so that is everything. Honestly, like it's stuff I will use, but none of it is thrilling. I will just say that. And so from the choices though, there was a lot that I feel like were repeats that I already had, or things that I just didn't want in the first place to choose from. The other thing, they had like a NARS blush in a few different shades. I already have several NARS blushes. Their wow item was I think it was either a humidifier or a dehumidifier, one of those. And I just was like, wait, really? I don't know. I think that was like their Luxe add-on item. And I was like, well, this is about as thrilling as a turd in a punch bowl, isn't it? For me, it was. I just didn't think it was that exciting. Maybe someone else was excited about it. I wasn't. They also had some packing cubes, which I already have. So just kind of some, just nothing that really wowed me to choose from. So I do, after kind of unboxing it, I do remember like not being super thrilled with the choices. But again, it is kind of every once in a while there's a miss, right? So not that I'm mad at it. I really like the sunglasses. I'm excited about the baking stuff. I'll definitely use all the hair stuff. Socks are socks. They seem like good quality, but they're socks. You know what I mean? Like they're just not that thrilling to me. So it is stuff at least I will use and I will get use out of. So, but I really wanted kind of like that one big wow item that you're like, yes, excited, you know, and that just didn't happen this box. So hopefully for the winter box, there will be some wow items in that. But overall, if you are interested in subscribing to Fab Fit Fun, the link is down below. The link that I have, I think it just gives me like points or something. I don't know. You can feel free to use it. I don't think it's going to save you anything, to be honest. I think it's just like a referral code type of deal. But if you use it, I get points. So thank you in advance if you decide to. No pressure if you forget about it or don't. It's whatever. I will still subscribe whether you click on it or not. Yeah, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, join the Thick Girl gang, and give this video a thumbs up. Bye guys, we'll see you next time.